Hello friends! In this video, we will talk about the heat pump program. The program is designed to calculate the heat pump and determine the cost of electrical power consumed. Let's have a look at the program. The parameters of energy carriers and their cost are entered here. For electrical power, you can specify the number of tariffs, 1 or 2. The use of 2 tariffs allows to reduce the cost of electrical power consumed at night. Select the city here and heating period. Their temperatures will be used to perform calculations. It is recommended to choose average heating period as the most likely in the future. The past heating period can be selected for comparison with the cost of using the current heat resource. Select the purpose of heating, ventilation, and hot water supply. Add heating capacity. Determine the ventilation capacity for heating. You can choose the priority of its operation relative to heating, with or without priority. Determine the hot water supply capacity for heating. Here you can select the type of heat pump, with or without electric heater. Since low outside air temperatures are rare, additional heating with electric heater can be used on these days. This will reduce the design capacity of the heat pump by approximately 2 times, with a slight increase in its electrical power consumption. Bivalent temperature is the switch-on temperature of the electric heater. It is recommended to adjust the bivalent temperature until thermal performance of an electric heater over heating period is about 5%. Let's adjust bivalent temperature. As a result, the following figures were determined: total heat pump capacity, electric heater capacity, bivalent temperature, and the cost of electric power for the heating period. Graphs were also made. Thermal performance, heat consumption, average COP, electrical power consumption, and energy carrier cost. By comparing the energy carrier cost of different heat sources, you can assess the relevance and payback of the heat pump. You can download the report. Let's do it. The report contains the following data: climatology, energy carrier, heating, heat pump, thermal performance, heat consumption, average COP, energy carrier consumption, and energy carrier cost. In the climatology sheet, there are outside air temperatures on which the calculation was based. To save or change the calculation, you can download or upload the project file, respectively. This review is over. If you have any questions or requests, please write to us on the website or on Facebook.